Sana man ang ganda makuha. Ay, ba't ganun? Wala.
Pinakakuha ko. Yun, yun.
Ano?
There we go.
Ah, hindi ko makuha.
What you get? Should I
Check
open
natin.
it?
Ay, okay.
Ah, small cost prints.
Wow!
It's so faded naman.
Okay.
So, pili ka na lang ng small cost print. And congrats to your pool.
Okay.
Better luck next time.
Kahit anong picture?
Yeah, basta.
Okay, so we will have a special performance from Rio.
Ito yung kaninang ano.
Okay.
Ay, wait ako. Ito na lang bago to eh. Bali, first time akong bumili nung ano, nung sa Shangri-La.
What?
Yung sa Shangri-La.
Yes?
Doon ako unang ano, bumili.
Bumili.
Yes.
Siyang relax.
Okay, so we will have
Star
a
Mall.
special
So Star Mall pala. Star Mall. Okay. So, balik.
Nag-post ako na na.
This is Rimuru, and he will be performing his piece.
Doon sa to?
Ah, yes.
No.
Bali, anong oras po yung ano, yung performance?
Around 5 p.m.
5 p.m. Okay.
Yung pinaka-upload.
Thank you, Patrick.
Thank you. Thank you.